So the youth them I follow Jeffrey with this whole spaceship and know if he live. Now it's a confusing thing cause you have some man who did already dance already, you know. I make a man is smart, I fool them in the rasta. So I love a thing. People smash it like big up on yourself. Make sure say you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And make we start burn some fire. How I do them? Now, tell me now people, if this not strange. I mean I go say we, cause I'm not involved in this. No, Jamaican are the first set of people you see excited of a pain toll. You ever hear anybody that said I'm a pay toll from New Jersey? If you got New York, or from New York if you got New Jersey, or anywhere of that happy if you pay toll, I will them forward and say we have easy pass. Yeah, that I feel the car just drive through easily when the traffic not there. Right? But you know I easily pay that if you're not happy. Gas already dear enough. So you're telling me now 14 parish that Jamaica, you're telling me if you move around, if you look at 14 parish we have that Jamaica, you can't wait for pay a toll. You're the top man if you pay some toll. Cha. No. Them man are really a fool themselves. You know what? The man them want some spaceship. You understand? And they said, you know, people, we have to keep it 1,000. Every man deserve to have something in our life. And you can't tell a man what him dream to be like. You understand? Everybody have them personal tastes in their life, them goals, them aim in their life. But it come to a point in our life where it's just follow fashion. How easy it's road for that. Why? I don't know. No, all of a sudden, you mean to tell me, sir, when since a car has become more important than having a house? When since? Because you have to remember now, when you have your house in a G, the value will go up. But when you have a car, the value will go down. You understand? So this is what I want to know. Some of them youth have Down syndrome, or them just talk and them hear next man talk and it sound good. And them love the hype because it look good. Or I do some follow fashion thing. No process now go through no brain. Nobody now use them brain. A man over here say hype, we don't know him get him things. But we are gonna rally and we are gonna say yes. Nobody finna want a house no more, so we can get a brand new car and everybody who me know can fit in it. After a while, I'm not go want nobody in it anyway. Cause I go tint up a glass them and just cool AC it out and me and my cat go through. Mark X here, sir. Crown pan it toll. You understand? You see, in a ghetto at Jamaica, having a Mark X is next to having a Mercedes Benz. You understand? You know, say, in America, A Mark X is considered just like a regular Toyota Corolla or a Camry. You understand? In a Jamaica, it's like a prestige. It's amazing. Cause every artist you hear a sing about Crown and Mark X. Jaja. You know what I mean? Man, them have to start think bigger than that, brother. You understand? And I see a reason why a youth we get brainwashed and feel say a car is a better asset than a house, which is the dumbest thing you could have ever convince yourself, cause you're gonna lose. Yeah. Remember. Us. Car. The truth is, nothing wrong with having a car before your house, but make certain say your main goal was to have your house. You see, cause no one not tell you how to live your life, and nobody not supposed to really tell you how to live your life. And you have to know the speed and the pace so you can go by and how you can govern your thing. So whichever one you think will work out better, cause you can get a car and make sure say you work the car for your advance and finance your situation. You see me? But if it's a thing, we are flossing thing, a destructive thing you depend. You see it? So you have to know. And then everybody are gonna be responsible enough to take care of a car. A car is a huge responsibility. It's not just driving around, looking cool, I play music and I look man. You see me? So sometimes you might want to do your research, talk to somebody. Okay, I encourage you for the righteous things. Yeah, you get great result. Yeah, simple as that. Yeah man, I don't know, no switch part all the viral king of forward and drop some knowledge and show the youth them say, yo, pretty smart G. Yeah. When I don't know, Foota always fight for freedom for youth them. Big up yourself. Straight nation. Straight. They said that. Now we switch part. Rasta King. I diss up Kolanji in the wickedest way. Now, this is more no. What's up with Rasta King and Burger King? Now, this virgin I possess with meat virgin, every time you see this virgin, you might consume. Nothing wrong with a virgin I consume, because you have to consume to survive. But him take it to a whole nother level where him want for diss people and call out people because of what him choose to do. This virgin go as far as say him did that bubble and him a walk with a bucket of water and him collapse and him in a coma for about 4 months. So I said to myself, you serious? So at this, him begs you to ask them for virgin. That never means it's a whole plate of pork. Me see the ras. Me can't call him ras. People subscribe, smash it like. That virgin in man.